Well, it is still very much winter over here. No motorcycling in the near future. Waiting for April. It's not that cold though. So while waiting for spring to arrive and be able to ride my motorcycle, I bought myself some boots. I did already own some motorcycle boots, but they're kind of sneakers style of boots. And I'm missing an inch or two when I ride my motorcycle to be able to touch the ground correctly. So I decided to go and buy myself some boots with heels and try that this spring. I didn't buy them new, bought them on Facebook Marketplace, and they're leather, but they need some treatment, so that's what I'm going to do today. So here are the boots. I think the brand is called Rhino, and the sole is made by Vibram. I know Vibram because I have some sneakers that are made by them. You see, there's the heel, and I think that's gonna help me because I can touch the ground with the tip of my toe, so that's gonna be helpful to have my heel touch the ground too. They're really comfortable. They're a little bit tight on the ankle, but that's fine, and they need some treatment on the outside, but especially on the inside. Let me show you. So I don't know if you can see, but the leather really needs some help. It's cracked and dried in both of them. You can even see some particles in there, but I really didn't pay much for them, so that doesn't bother me. And I got this product right here that I've been suggested to apply on the boots. So that's what I'm going to do today, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so let's first open the bottle. Okay, so let's see. It says it protects and restores your leather back to original condition. Directions: shake well, apply 1 to 3 lines of product on a premium microfiber applicator pad. Okay, so I don't have a pad, but I do have a microfiber cloth. Spread evenly, allow to penetrate. Wipe dry if desired, reapply as needed. But when I looked into YouTube for this, they recommended to sand the leather inside. Well, not inside, but the leather that's cracked. It's very dry inside. I'll try to use a 800 grit sandpaper because I can rub it just with my fingers and it disintegrates. So let's try this. It's just hard because I cannot see what I'm doing. I removed a lot, but I'm gonna continue a little bit, and I'll see you later. Ooh, am I pretty with this thing on? It's to see better. So I managed to find a smaller rag, microfiber rag, to be able to go inside. It'll be easier. So I'm gonna now apply the leather conditioner inside and let it dry. And I think I'm gonna do, like they say, 1 to 3 coats. I'm gonna go with 3 coats since they're really bad inside, and see what happens, see if I can salvage the boots. And they're in very good condition other than the inside. I mean, the sole is they're new. The lady said that she didn't wear them a lot because when she bought that, she wore them for a ride. She didn't ride, her husband rode the motorcycle. She was a passenger. And after she bought that, they did one ride and they decided to sell their motorcycles for electric bikes. So they now ride electric bikes instead, and that's why she wanted to get rid of them. Anyway, so I'll go ahead and condition the inside of the boots. Alright, I'll put back my flashlight on my forehead to be able to see what I'm doing. And, okay, so I'll just read that back. It says to shake it well. It leaked a little bit in the packaging. No worries, I'll just remove that. Alright, so let's start. I'm gonna whoa! Yeah, it does smell like leather. So I'm gonna apply that. You won't really see. And to tell you the truth, neither will I. There's still some particles coming off. But, oh no! I dropped it. I dropped it in the bottom of the boot. See? Look at this. I dropped it. Okay. I need to be better at this. Oh my god, I'm going to try and wipe it off. The sole will be conditioned. Let's start again. And instead of doing that the wrong way, like, I know there's missing some leather inside. I just hope it's going to act like a glue inside, so the leather that is still there, it's gonna stick and not continue to crack. You know what? I brought some gloves. I forgot to put them on. I'm gonna go generously. I washed my hands to be able to wear the gloves. So this one's done. This one's now. Second boot done. I think this one's worse than the other one. So I'll let that dry and come back later and finish it. And we'll be back. So don't forget to put the gloves like I did on the first shot. Alright, third coat now. And then we'll do the exterior. I'll be washing the boots, the outside of the boot with a damp cloth and a little bit of vinegar. I'll just wash them out, dry them out, and then put 2 coats of this, and then I'll put the mink oil on top of it. Now I'm gonna apply the mink oil on the boots and I'll be done and they'll be beautiful, and then I'll let them rest for at least 24 hours before trying them on, and then we'll see how it goes when I'll start the motorcycle riding year. I've let the boots dry for 24 hours just to make sure, you know, that it's all okay. And I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but they look really nice. Even though they weren't really destroyed on the outside, since the boots were fairly new. The lady that sold me the boots, she didn't wear them. Look at the sole is not even, she didn't even, I don't think, like walked a lot in those. So, but just they look new on the outside. Seriously, I don't know how well you can tell. And if we look in the inside of the boots, they were messed up. Actually, the leather dried a lot, and it was like all decomposing. So I just hope that the product that I used will be able to prevent the leather to continue to deteriorate like that. So I'm gonna show it to you. As you can see, it's still in bad shape, but I'm just hoping that the product will, as what I said, prevent the leather from going to continue to crack, and we'll see. I'm gonna try them on. All right, so I know that they are hard to put on because of the ankle is really tight. So I might struggle a little bit, but and I have oh my god. Okay, got it. So able to put that back in. This one too. Oh man, I can't wait to go riding. Oh, still a lot of snow. Oh, this one is less hard. See? Oh, I like them a lot. I like the look of them. But yeah, I think that the product that I used gave them like a good shine, and I'm sure it will protect the boots. Yeah, that's about it for me. See you in the next one. Bye.